How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing you need to do is open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, head over to the bottom right corner and there you should see your profile. Now here you'll find all of your playlists including your watch later and liked videos. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to the watch later section, tap on it, and now you're on the watch later section of your YouTube. Now if you try to just press and select each and every one of the videos, it's not possible. What you'll need to do is you'll simply need to swipe left and then tap on delete on each and every one videos to delete. So simply tap on that, or you can simply delete the entire folder. You can delete the entire folder if you want to, or you can head down inside and then select delete on each and every one of these videos. After you do that, your watch later videos will just get removed from your list and then you're basically good to go. And that is how you can delete all watch later videos on your YouTube at once. I hope this answers your question guys, and that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.